the Artisan's shop in New Boston from 10 until 1. This is kind of exciting. This is something that I decided to do differently from doing the big shows and the farmers markets, just trying to run a cute little Artisan's shop. So one of my jobs right now is to change this light bulb because this cute little thing needs new batteries. So many fun things to see. I just found this little bird feeder. So cute. Love it. It's right next to the LUX cabinet. So it's fun because you're here and you get to meet people as they shop. The little pomegranate lip oil was the thing today, as was the magnesium. So that's fun. You get to see people and talk to them as they come in and shop. Here's more of Leanne's pottery. It's so cute. So she's Windy Hill Farm Pottery. Such good gift ideas here. I like this one. Such pretty things. She does earrings. Oh, fun things. I sold a few of these today, the incense burners. So this is the fall little coloring book, and they're gonna have one for more of the holiday Christmassy season, but it's a great idea. So you can bring your kids in. So you can make your own basket. So you get the basket tissue, they have different ones you can pick from with the card and the ribbon, and you can walk around and fill it with all of the wonderful things that you see here. I think that's a great idea. Lots to choose from. This is one of Eileen Belanger's paintings, and she's the owner of the cider mill. And so her artwork is all around the shop. It's just very New Hampshire. Very lovely. They're old-fashioned apple cider vinegar, and you can get the gallon, and you can also get the pints. Local cider press. All right, Amy.
Yes.
So it's my first day working here. How did I do?
You did wonderfully.
Okay, I'm not fired?
No.
Okay, great.
You can stay.
How long have you run the this gallery?
This is my third season running the Artisan's Market. I actually grew up in town and I used to babysit for Eileen and Bob's son, the people that own the building. So when Eileen decided to retire a couple years ago, I felt the need to step in and thought, well, why not? And see what happens. So I took over doing it 3 seasons ago and just keep changing things as I go.
Today, it's just been so much fun. I can't wait to come back a week from today. And but what are some things that are coming up so I can look forward to it next week or next month? Or
so on the first Saturday of November, we have a new vendor coming in and setting up her setup. And then after that, the first Thursday of November, we will start being open Thursday through Sunday, 10 to 4. And Thanksgiving weekend, that Sunday, December 1st, Santa Claus will be here for the kids. I believe he's making his appearance around 11 and planning on, said he has to probably head out around 2:30, so he'll be here December 1st, Sunday, 11 to 2:30. Thank you very much for coming and have a wonderful weekend.
So I highly recommend coming. It's just absolutely lovely. There's lots of great vendors, and I will be back a week from today, 10 to 1. Come say hi, New Boston. See y'all later.